When it comes to enhancing your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall value, window replacement is one of the best investments you can make. For homeowners in Colombia, where climate fluctuations can create energy challenges, professional window installation offers a wide range of benefits. While it may be tempting to tackle window installation as a DIY project, the expertise, precision, and long-term benefits of hiring professionals make it a worthwhile choice. Here are the top benefits of professional window installation for Colombia homes. Enhanced energy efficiency. Professional window installation plays a critical role in maximizing energy efficiency. In Colombia, where hot, humid summers and chilly winters can lead to high energy bills, properly installed windows are key to keeping your home comfortable and your utility costs manageable. Reduced air leaks. Professional installers ensure a tight seal around your windows, minimizing air leaks and preventing drafts. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces the strain on your HVAC system. Optimal performance of energy-efficient windows. High-performance windows with features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames deliver maximum energy savings when installed correctly by experienced professionals. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing new windows can significantly enhance the appearance of your home's exterior, boosting curb appeal and increasing property value. Professional window installation ensures that your new windows are installed seamlessly, enhancing both beauty and functionality. Attractive and flawless fit. Properly fitted windows look better, operate smoothly, and complement the architectural style of your home. Higher resale value. Homes with professionally installed, energy-efficient windows tend to attract more interest from potential buyers and often sell for a higher price. The investment in professional installation can pay off when it's time to sell. Improved home security. Security is a top priority for homeowners in Colombia, and professionally installed windows can enhance your home's safety. Modern windows come with a variety of security features, such as reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems. Secure installation. Professional installers ensure that windows are properly anchored and locks are correctly aligned for maximum security. Peace of mind. With expert installation, you can rest assured that your windows offer robust protection against intruders. Long-term durability and performance. Windows that are installed incorrectly are more prone to warping, leaking, and other issues that can reduce their lifespan. Professional window installation ensures that your investment lasts as long as possible. Weatherproofing. Colombia's climate can be harsh, with high humidity, heavy rainfall, and temperature swings. Professional installers use high-quality weatherproofing techniques to protect your windows from the elements. Reduced maintenance costs. Properly installed windows are less likely to experience issues such as leaks, condensation, or operational difficulties. This means fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs over the long term. Expert guidance and customization. When you work with professional window installers, you gain access to their expertise and guidance throughout the process. From selecting the best window style and materials for your home to ensuring a perfect fit, professionals tailor their services to meet your unique needs. Customized solutions. Professional installers can provide recommendations on window types, glass options, and energy-saving features that are best suited for your home's layout and climate. Personalized service. You'll receive personalized attention and support, ensuring your new windows meet your exact specifications and preferences. Compliance with building codes and regulations. Window installation must adhere to local building codes and regulations, which can vary from one location to another. Professional installers in Colombia are familiar with these requirements and ensure your installation is compliant. Code compliance. Meeting building codes is crucial for safety, insurance coverage, and passing home inspections. Professional installation ensures that your windows are installed according to all relevant regulations. Proper permits. If necessary, professional installers handle permits and paperwork, saving you time and potential headaches. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties that are only valid if the windows are installed by a certified professional. Hiring a professional installer protects your investment and ensures you're covered if any issues arise. Product and labor warranties. Professional installation often includes warranties on both the product and the workmanship, giving you peace of mind and long-term protection. Faster and hassle-free installation. DIY window installation can be time-consuming and complicated, especially if you don't have the right tools or expertise. Professional installers have the skills and experience to complete the job quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruptions to your daily routine. Efficient process. Professionals handle every aspect of the installation, from removing old windows to cleaning up afterward. This allows you to enjoy your new windows without the stress of a DIY project. Avoid costly mistakes. Improper installation can lead to problems like air leaks, water damage, and operational issues. Professionals eliminate these risks by ensuring the job is done right the first time. Final thought. Professional window installation offers a range of benefits that enhance your Colombia home's energy efficiency, security, and overall value. By choosing experienced installers, you can ensure a flawless fit, superior performance, and long-term durability. Whether you're looking to improve energy savings, boost curb appeal, or increase home security, professional window installation is a smart investment that pays off for years to come.